A very good day to all my students. Welcome back to Social Science class. In today's class, we shall learn a chapter from history. That is chapter number 2, Geographical Features and Prehistoric India. In this COVID-19 pandemic, the Education Department has dropped physical features of India in this chapter. So let's learn about prehistoric India. What is prehistory? We can define prehistory as a period of human development during the time before the discovery of writing. Prehistory extends from the emergence of our first ancestors about 5 million years ago to the invention of writing about 5,000 years ago. The period before the discovery of the art of writing is called prehistoric age. This is so because we do not find evidence of the linguistic development or the use of script. We do not get any written records for the study of history of this period. Then how do we get to know about the people and their life in the prehistoric age? Yes. The study of prehistoric period and its culture is called archaeology. The scholars who study this period are called archaeologists. Now, did you understand what is archaeology? The study of prehistoric period and its culture is called archaeology. The scholars who study this period are called archaeologists. In this age, the man was like a nomad. We know who is nomad. Nomads were the people who used to wander from one place to another in the finding of food. They used to wander from one place to another. In the prehistoric age, man was a nomad and indulged in hunting and food gathering. Archaeologists have discovered few tools created and used by these people. Probably they used tools made of stone, wood, and bones. Among these, only tools made of stones have survived today, providing us the sources for the study. Human beings in the prehistoric age used stone tools to peel the skin and separate the flesh and bones of animals, to scrap the bark of trees and to cut fruits and roots. Let's see how was the prehistoric period. The period before the discovery of the art of writing is called the prehistoric age, as there are no written records of this age for the study of history. Archaeologists have discovered that man in the prehistoric age was a nomad and he indulged in hunting and food gathering. The relics of the hunting and food gathering man are available in Bhimbetka, Hunasagi, and Kurnool in India. Archaeologists have discovered the prehistoric implements made of wood, stone, and bones. Stone implements have been used to peel the skin and separate the flesh and bones of animals, to scrape the bark of trees, to cut fruits and roots, or like axes to chop down trees. Bones and woods have been used to create handles and use them like spears and arrows to hunt animals. Since stone implements were essential for the survival of people of the prehistoric age, they chose areas abundant with stone which could fulfill their needs. Areas where people used stones to create various implements have been believed to be industrial sites, as heaps of broken rocks used for creating implements have been found here. It is also believed that people lived in these areas for a long time. Hence, these sites are called residential and industrial sites. Archaeologists have obtained ashes in the caves of Kurnool. This reveals the awareness and the use of fire by the people of the prehistoric age to cook food, for light, and for safety from animals. Also, drawings of wild animals and of hunting have been found on the walls of caves and on rocks. Even today, cave drawings can be seen in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. Gradually, man captured these animals like deer, elks, goats, sheep and others in these grasslands. And the practices of animal husbandry and dairy farming began during prehistoric period. Along with animal husbandry, man also learned to fish in streams and in lakes. Man had noticed how some grass-bearing grains grew naturally. Man learned to use them as a food grains and cereals like rice, wheat and barley were obtained from such plants. Gradually, he learned to grow these crops and thus the practices of farming began in the prehistoric age. The age which prevailed 2 million years ago is the oldest age and is called the Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. It stretched over a period of 12,000 years. The long duration has been broken into 3 stages, namely the Early Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and Late Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic Age was divided into 3, that is Early Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and Old Stone Age. And next comes Middle Stone Age, that is between 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. The period between 12,000 and 10,000 years ago is called Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. And during this time, small and delicate stone implements and handles had been found. The next, New Stone Age, which began after 10,000 years ago. The stone weapons made during this period were bright and had sharp blades. People of this age used grinding stones for grinding leaves and herbs and for powdering grains and cereals. Some pots and pans of this period have been found, some of which have been decorated. People of this age also weaved cloth during this time. The stages of prehistoric age is divided into 3, that is Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age, Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age, New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. The Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age prevailed from 2 million years to 12,000 years ago, whereas Mesolithic Age is from 12,000 years to 10,000 years ago. New Stone Age began after 10,000 years. The Old Stone Age is divided into 3, that is Early Old Stone Age, Middle Old Stone Age and Late Old Stone Age. Let's recap the important points of this lesson. The period before the discovery of the art of writing is called the prehistoric age, as there are no written records of this age for the study of history. The study of prehistoric period and its culture and are called archaeology. The scholars who studies the prehistoric period are archaeologists. Archaeologists have found prehistoric implements made of wood, stone and bones. Areas where people used stones to create various implements have been believed to be industrial sites. People of the prehistoric age used fire to cook food, for light and for safety from animals. Drawings of wild animals and of hunting have been found on the walls of caves and on rocks. The prehistoric man learned farming and animal husbandry by observing the nature. Prehistoric age is divided into 3 stages, that is Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age, Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age, New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Children, in today's class, we have learnt about the prehistoric period and where did the prehistoric man live, knowledge of the fire in the prehistoric period, drawing found in caves, the changing environment and the stages of prehistoric age. This is a very simple and interesting chapter. Learn thoroughly from your textbook as well as watch the video class and do your home assignment and classwork. You can see in the next slide. Home assignment is what is meant by prehistoric age. And second question, what do you mean by archaeologist? Where can we see cave drawings of prehistoric India? So these three question and answers you have to write in your homework notebook and maintain the index properly. And in the workbook in page number 6, fill in the blanks, question number 2 and 3 you have to write. Fill in the blanks, question number 1 is omitted. In page number 7, second main, answer the following. In that question number 3, 4, 5 you have to write. Question number 1 and 2 are deleted. In page number 8, first main, choose the best alternative. Question number 5, 6, 7 you have to write. The remaining are omitted. In page number 8, fill in the blanks. Question number 6, 7, 8 you have to write down. In page number 9, answer the following briefly. Question number 4, 5, 6 you have to write in your workbook. Children, write the workbook neatly and learn properly. On October 1st, I'll be conducting you the class test in this lesson. Thank you children. Take care. Stay safe.